Hey, my little soldiers. You know, I always start out with some kind of a hint. I just watched an interview with General Michael Flynn. And it got me to thinking, about freedom, our freedom. Remember in the abundance video I did, I mentioned my grandnephew August, and one day when he was going out to school to get in the car, he said he heard the birds singing, freedom, freedom, freedom. We really can hear if we tune in. I've heard them speak to me too. But, so what do you do? Another word for freedom is liberty, self-sufficiency, independence. And we hear those words around the 4th of July, but it's a daily practice. What do you do to be more self-sufficient? You know, there are a lot of things I do, but one thing is my team upstairs, all those who help me, I call upon them. And just personally, do you pick your clothes out of the closet at night for the next day or in the morning for school? Do you set your plate for dinner or help set the table for dinner? Or do you bring up new ideas for your family? Or do you think new solutions to any difficulties you might have? That's being self-sufficient. So I encourage you today to listen and take the message of the birds saying, freedom, 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 and be free. Think freedom. The world watches. If you're in the United States, the world watches what we do in all areas. And are they seeing our freedom? Be that example. I love you, little freedom makers. Until next time, bye-bye.